for 400 degrees. Start. Okay, now that our air fryer is preheated, I'm gonna open our air fryer. Make sure you put it on this lid here. Okay, so let's put our chicken. Okay, 10 minutes is done and we are gonna check it. Okay, make sure you guys put your air fryer lid on its cover or lid. Okay. And for 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, here we go. It's done. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Okay. So we're gonna take a look of this. If it's really done. Put it here. Yeah, it's cooked. And we will try it. Okay, I think our air fryer chicken is good to go.